Now, how can you add subtitles to a video in VLC on the iPad? So let me explain how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss explanations and tutorials like this one. So as you know, you can use your VLC player like that, but in order to access the files and all of the content like the media, go to the VLC folder within the Files app. So open up the files, go to On My iPad, and you should see the VLC folder right away. And in here, you need to paste like your content, the video, whatever. But the point is that the subtitles are of a different like file type, right? So usually the video which I have in here, captured by my camera or whatever, it's a video with a format like the MP4 or MKV or whatever. But if you have the subtitle file, that is going to have the extension of SRT most likely. And you just need to place that folder or place that file directly into this folder as well. The important part is that it shares the exact same name as the video which you want to attach it to. So in my case, if I wanted to add the subtitles for this video, which I recorded, I would have to just make the SRT file extension have the name exactly the same one as the video file. So it would be the P11, these numbers here. So that's how you can edit and make sure that it kind of like links together. But then you just go to the VLC media player, you just go to your content, and once you start playing the thing, you should be able to just go to the more options and play with the subtitles, or find it in here, and you should be able to see it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and like explanations like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.